Shurley method, page 33, exercises 2 through 7. Okay, so put a slash to separate each run-on sentence below, then correct the run-on sentence by rewriting them as indicated by the labels and parentheses at the end of each sentence. ACX, so the question mark means you get to write the complex sentence, so you get to choose what you're going to replace it with. So let's go ahead and look at number 6 real quick. The movie ended, everyone left the theater. Where does our backslash go?
Everyone.
Between ended and everyone. Okay, so what can we put there? No, what is a transition word that helps us?
So.
What about when? Okay, so and then I can decide where it would go. Would when go better at the beginning or the middle? Beginning. Okay, so when the movie ended, and then I put a comma, right? Everyone left the theater. And a period. Okay, let's say you guys are going to do 1 and 2 for homework. Okay, and we will do 3, 4, and 5. So the boy will ride his horse. He can fasten the saddle tightly. In between horse and he, right? Okay, then you have CX2. So if is going to go where? Where the slash is, right? Okay, so the boy will ride his horse if he can fasten the saddle tightly. Put the eggs down carefully, they won't break. Carefully and think. We have CX2, so where does that go? At the beginning or the backslash? The backslash. So put the eggs down carefully so that they won't break. You have studied Spanish. You came out into Mexico. Between Spanish and you. Okay? We have until and one. So where does that go? At the beginning. So until you have studied Spanish. And then what do I need to have? A comma. You cannot move to Mexico. Okay. All right, I'm going to have you guys do 7, 8, and 9 for homework. We're going to do 10, 11, and 12 together. The king sat on a golden throne, and the queen sat on a silver one. So we have punctuation and a conjunction, right? So we know that that can't be a sentence with a compound subject or verb, right? Because we have the punctuation by the and sign. So that leaves it as a compound sentence, right? During our trip, the tour guide and bus driver talked. So we have the word and with no punctuation around it. So that means it's either a sentence with a compound subject or a sentence with a compound verb. So is it the subject or the verb? Subject, right? Because we have a guide and a driver. So sentence with a compound subject. Because I like to swim, we go to the pool often. So I have punctuation here with the comma. Is there something that goes with it? Yes, there is. What goes with it? Because, right? And that makes it a complex sentence. Okay, like I said, 7, 8, and 9. Now, will you always circle something? Not always. Okay, so that might be the case today. Denote each indefinite pronouns as singular or plural or possibly either. So neither. It is singular, right? Others. Plural. Half. It can actually be either because you can have half of a whole group or you can have half of just one thing, right? Okay, so either. Some. It could be for both, right? So either. Anyone. Singular. Singular because of the one part, right? Okay. Identify these pronouns as subjective, objective, or possessive. Me. Objective. We. Subjective. There. It's possessive because it's showing possession of something, like ownership. Them. Objective. He. Subjective. Him. No, it's objective. His. Possessive because it's showing ownership, right? Us. No. Objective, right? Okay, write the capitalization and punctuation corrections only. Word. Jerry. Barry. Oh, whoops, comma, right? Barry. And comma. Larry. Philip. Born on Saturday. Comma. October. October 11th, 1985. Question mark, right? Okay, and then we will not do exercise 7. Okay, so for homework, you guys need to do 1, 2, 7, 8, and 9.